As visually impaired CEO of Cobra Vision, I would like to explain how the new Vocatex works. I push the red button to turn on the device. The light on the sliding table is on and the screen displays a welcome message. After a few seconds, you see a progress indicator that indicates how long it will take to turn on the Vocatex. The Vocatex has a very powerful processor to recognize text and to read continuously. This is a new unique function of the Vocatex. The device will let you know when it is ready for use.
The machine is ready for use.
The user interface of the Vocatex consists of two parts. The left side contains the buttons for the video magnifier. The right side contains the buttons for the reading system. With the central tracking wheel, I can magnify. The buttons explain their function with a clear voice. This is very unique. It means that a visually impaired doesn't need to read the user manual before using its system. When pressing the large tracking wheel, the Vocatex will go to Overview. I can watch at pictures in color. I can read text with a black background and white letters, or the opposite, white and black. In this mode I can select other color combinations. I need to press the button long to select another color. Your dealer can even select other colors.
Black, white.
Newspapers are usually of bad print. I magnify so you can see that the text isn't clear. With the background function I can make the text really white on black.
Less background.
This is very useful to read text on a colored background or to read bad print. I put a color picture under it and I will go to photo mode.
Overview. White black photo mode. Zoom minimum.
In photo mode I can adjust the brightness with this button.
Less brightness. Less brightness.
The button above is used to switch to computer. I will now explain the read aloud function. I will go to Overview by pressing the central tracking wheel. I activate the column selector. I choose now which column I would like to read. I select, for example, the first column. I press on the button and the Vocatex will read the text aloud.
Usually I try to block out other people's mobile phone conversations when I'm on a train, but there was something intriguing about this one.
You can follow the position with the moving box that highlights every word and with the progress indicator at the bottom.
When he took a
the
call
new
from his
Vocatex
wife,
is very unique.
even across the carriage
you can
I could hear her agitation at the other end of the line, and his attempts to hush the call only made it all the more interesting.
Again when
He
it
signed
finds
off
the
by promising to call someone, which he then
This
did.
is very unique.
By the sound of it,
You
that
can
someone
read
was
now
both a friend and business contact,
I will do
and
it
after
again.
the usual niceties my fellow
The word
passenger
box
cleared his
disappears
throat
and is
nervously,
displayed
and
again
I've
when
been,
it tracks the new
Jacques,
position.
I have a difficult question to
I
ask.
stop.
He started.
With this button
Louder,
I can change the
louder,
volume.
Softer, softer, louder, softer.
I can switch to another voice by pressing and turning the button. English Daniel.
Français Audrey.
With this button
Fast,
I
maximum,
can change the
slow,
reading
slower,
speed.
faster, slower, faster, slower.
Another useful function is navigating in the text. I start the text again.
New high-speed links have cut journey
I can
times
navigate with the button
significantly
at
over
the
last
right
2
side.
years, with the next big step forward.
For example,
big,
when I
next,
press shortly on the top button it will go back word by word.
Next big step forward due on
The reading will start again when I wait a few seconds.
Amsterdam an hour closer, as well as shortening
To
trips
navigate
to many
faster,
other cities.
I press
Building
long on the button
next
to go back sentence by sentence.
New high-speed links have cut journey times
The
significantly
button
over
below
the
is to
last 2
navigate
years,
to the next
with
word
the
or
next big step
sentence.
forward due on the 13th of December.
Let me do it by sentence.
Thanks to exhilarating speeds, upmarket lounges and interiors design.
I will explain the progress indicator in depth. Let me read, for example, this text.
Of course,
I start the
couldn't hear
reading
the
aloud.
answer, but
The
judging
word
by his
box is
reaction, it was
displayed.
neither a clear yes nor a definitive no. Evidently, the plot
I
had
can
just
move my
thickened.
text down as I
At which
explained
point,
before.
possibly aware that
The
I was
word box
listening
will
in,
disappear
my
and
fellow
is shown
passenger
again.
rose from his seat and left the compartment
It is
to
also
conclude the
possible to slide
conversation in
my
the
text
corridor.
so that the word box
Although I'm
isn't
not
on the
proud of
screen
the
anymore.
eavesdropping component,
The progress
this
indicator
tantalizing
displays
glimpse at
2
someone
bars to
else's
indicate
life is
when it
actually
reaches the
typical of travel
connection.
by train.
When they come
On the
together,
plane,
only
you
one
see
bar is
nothing but
displayed and
clouds,
the word
and on
box
a
is
motorway
back
you
on the
see the back
screen.
end of the lorry
I
in
will do
front.
this again.
But a train allows insight into a
You
destination.
now see that a
peering
second
into a
bar is
nation's backyards
displayed.
as it runs
When the
unfettered
2
through
bars
country
join,
and
the
city,
word box is shown
transporting
again
a
on the
perception of
screen.
locals and travelers,
This is a
some
way
of
to
whom
read
may
your
be
text
disposed to talk,
continuously.
even if
I
it's
will
just
stop
on a
the
mobile
Vocatex
phone.
and I will start over. I move my text up again and press on the button to
Of course,
start reading.
I couldn't hear the answer, but
The
judging
word
by
box
his
is on the
reaction,
top
it was
of the
neither a
screen.
clear yes nor
I
a
will
definitive
slide the
no.
text down so that the
Evidently,
complete
plot
text
had just
isn't on the
thickened.
screen anymore.
At which point,
The
possibly
Vocatex will
aware that I
display
was
an arrow to
listening in,
indicate
my
that
fellow
it can't
passenger
find a
rose from
connection.
his seat and left
No
the
problem.
compartment to conclude
I
the
slide my text
conversation in the
back up
corridor.
again. It
Although
will
I'm
search
not
for the
proud of
connection.
eavesdropping
When it is
component, this
found, it will show the word box again. Let me explain my next item. When I'm reading a column at the end. For example,
Across the
let
aisle
me
from a
start
typical
over
British
here.
banker,
It
when
is
he took a
reading the
call from
text
his
now and it
wife.
will finish at
Even
the end
across
of the column.
carriage I could hear
To
her
indicate that
agitation
it
at the
needs to
other
read
end
the
of the
next
line,
column
and his
after it
attempts to
finished
hush
the
the call
first.
only
I
made it all
just
the more
slide my
interesting.
text to the
He
next
signed
column.
off by promising to call
The
someone,
Vocatex will
which
show
he
the
then
arrow
did.
again to
By the
explain that
sound
it
of
doesn't
that
find a
someone was both
connection but
friend
that
and
it will
business
read the next
contact,
text
and
when
after
it
the
has
usual
finished the
niceties,
first
my fellow
one.
passenger
When the
cleared his
progress
throat
indicator
nervously
is at the
and added
end,
in,
it will
"Junk,
start
I
reading
have
the
a
new
difficult
column.
question to ask."
The text
He
is read
started.
continuously.
"But is our AU pair staying with
The
you?"
Vocatex is the
Near
ideal
high-speed
way to
links
read
have
your
cut
books,
journey times
newspapers and
significantly
magazines
over the last
continuously
2
without
years,
annoying
with the
breaks in
next big
between.
step
The
forward due on the
Vocatex is the
13th of
ideal way to
December.
read your books, newspapers and magazines continuously without annoying breaks in between. It has very unique possibilities that no other devices in the world have. Watch the other videos on our website or on YouTube.